Picture a classroom where every student excels rather than just gets by. Today, education encounters a significant obstacle. Conventional approaches often depend on rote memorization, leading to disinterest and shallow comprehension. What if we considered innovative learning methods instead? Let's explore some groundbreaking strategies together. First, project-based learning is introduced. This strategy motivates students to tackle real-world tasks. Students work together, engage in critical thinking, and apply their knowledge practically. Next is experiential learning, which emphasizes hands-on involvement. Students acquire knowledge through action, not just lectures. They actively participate in workshops, field trips, and simulations. Another impactful approach is online learning. It offers flexibility and accessibility. Students can study at their own pace while exploring diverse resources. Next, let's discuss peer-to-peer learning. This method encourages students to share knowledge with each other, enhances collaboration, and strengthens communication skills. Finally, we must consider gamification. Transforming education into games makes learning enjoyable, boosts motivation, and improves knowledge retention. In conclusion, alternative education provides exciting new strategies. Project-based learning, experiential learning, online learning, peer-to-peer learning, and gamification can revolutionize student engagement. Together, we have the power to transform how we educate future generations. Explore these approaches and welcome change. Start now for a brighter tomorrow in education.